Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain question number 6 and question number 5 of exercise 17.3 of class 10. As you can see, the question number 5 is find the mean of following frequency distribution. The first row is of weight in kg and data are given in the group. The first group is 40 to 50, the second group is 50 to 60 and third group is 60 to 70. Like this the groups are available and the number of students is for first group, that is for 40 to 50 kg, the number of students are 10. So like this number of students are available to us. So students, these are the data and these are the frequencies. We have to find out the mean of following frequency distribution. So the solution table for this question is here. We have the table. Since in the question it is given that weight in kg, so here also you should write down weight in kg, and these are the class intervals. That's why we wrote here ci for the class interval, and students, because in the question number of students are available, and so these are going to be frequency for us. So frequency we are represented as fi. Now xi is the class mark and the next column is of fi xi. Now students, this column we obtained from the question, that is weight in kg. From here we wrote this column and the number of students we wrote in the frequency column. So like this we obtain the first two columns. Now third column is of xi. Xi means class mark. Class mark we used to get by upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. That is the formula of class mark. So when we add upper limit means 50 for first group and lower limit of first group is 40. So upper limit plus lower limit upon 2, that is 50 plus 40 upon 2 will give us 90 upon 2, that is 45. In the same way 60 plus 50 upon 2 means 110 upon 2 will give us 55. Like this I calculated all the class mark of all the respective groups. After getting the class mark column, multiply the class mark by the frequency. So you have to multiply 45 by 10, you will get here 450. In the same way 25 by 55, multiply, write the answer. Like this multiply fi and xi of all the rows and write down the entries in fi xi column. After writing all the entries, the last row of the table is for total. In total you have to find out the sigma fi and sigma fi xi. Sigma means summation. You have to add all the frequencies. So when we add all the frequencies, we will get here 100, and when we add fi xi, we will get 6820, and after finding the summations, we have to go for the formula. Formula is mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Now these values you can get from the table. You can see the table. The see here sigma fi xi is 6820, so we wrote here, and sigma fi is 100, so we wrote here. Now since here 100 we have means 2 zeros, so after 2 places put the point, that will give you 68.2 kg. So the answer is 68.2 kg. So mean of this frequency distribution table is 68.2 kg. Now students, we will move to the question number 6. Question 6 is salary of employees in a factory is according to the following table. So salaries are available to us. These are the monthly salary and these are the employees, and we have to find out the arithmetic mean of the salary. So here the salaries are given in the groups, and these are the number of employees. So it's going to be fi frequency column, and this is going to be class interval. Now to see the table format, since we have to find out the mean, so table format is class interval, then frequency, then class mark, then fi xi. In class interval we have to write down the monthly salary, and it's going to be in the rupees, and Fi means frequency, the number of employees, then Xi. Xi is the class mark. As I mentioned to you, class mark we have to find out by the formula upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So when we'll add here, we'll get 2200, that is 1200 plus 1000 will give us 2200, then upon 2. So when we'll do upon 2, we'll get here 1100. In the same way, upper limit is 1400 for next group and lower limit is 1200. So when we add 1400 and 1200, we'll get here 2600. And 2600 we have to divide by 2, that will give us the 1300. In the same way, for next group also we'll find out the class marks. Now after finding the class mark we have to multiply by the frequency. So when we multiply the class mark by frequency, we'll get this answer. Like this, just enter all the Fi Xi by multiplying the corresponding values of Fi Xi, and when you will adjust here, adjust the column wise so that you can add them. So after adding, you will get here 1,02,000 and sigma Fi is 70. Now the mean formula is sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. Now sigma Fi Xi you just get from the table its value. Then just write down here sigma Fi is equal to 70 and then divide them, you will get the answer. So students, here is a correction. So see here, we have 3 zeros, but by mistake I wrote here 2 0. You just enter one more 0 and then cancel 0 by 0 and then divide it. You will get this answer. So the mean salary of the employees is 1457.14. So students, here is correction I am mentioning again. Write down here 1,02,000 and then divide it by 70. That will give you this answer. Thank you.